What's the meaning of banquet? Banquet. Banquet.
Banquet. Banquet. A banquet refers to a large formal meal or feast that is typically held to celebrate a special occasion or event, such as a wedding, anniversary, or corporate gathering. The term usually carries connotations of luxury, abundance, and conviviality, with participants engaging in lively conversation, drinking and toasting, and enjoying multiple courses of food and drink. Banquets may also involve entertainment, such as music, dancing, or speeches. In some cultures, banquets hold special significance as a way of expressing hospitality, honoring guests, or marking important social or religious rites. Overall, banquets are a way of bringing people together to share in a collective celebration of life's joys and accomplishments.